so you win. Okay, I'm going to teach you about gun safety first.
Okay.
Alright, so this is your safety. You always want it on, no matter what, until you are actually ready to shoot and pointing it, and then you turn it off. You push it in to turn it off. So, and then when you're done shooting, you turn it right back on. So you always hold a gun like it's going to go off at any time. So you would never point it at anyone until you actually know where you're aiming and there's no one in your aim. And so if I was going to try to walk around you, I would hold it correctly. So your safety's on. Let's point this way. Okay. We're going to use your shoulder so that the kick, when it goes off, it won't hurt your shoulder. You don't want to get bruised. Okay. Let's see. Let me show you how I hold it. It's hard to tell. Okay. You get your hand right here, right here, up in your shoulder, and this arm up here on the side, so that your finger. You want the silvery part, metal part, down. So you put it down, and then press the button, and it loads it. How to shoot. I'm going to actually shoot. We're going to shoot at a standing target, which is falling down.
You shoot the top right hand corner of that.
Okay. Now you back up behind me. Yep, press the button. There you go. Now you have a loaded gun. You're going to push it up against your shoulder. I didn't do a very good job that time.
Look
I felt
down the barrel.
Yeah, you look down this line and you see where
bead,
that little bead is? That's where you're aiming.
At the top right hand corner of that.
Really push it into yourself. And then you can turn your safety off. You're going to go when you're ready.
Squeeze the trigger, don't jerk it. Just squeeze.
Just shoot the target. Remember to hold it against you and watch down the barrel. Ease the safety off and pull the trigger back slowly. Don't jerk it. Woo!
Good shot.
Tight against your shoulder. Aim low.
That was all over it, I think.
Good job. Put your safety on. Very nice. And she's getting better. She's all over it. Woo! Let's see that one.
So the tad to the right, but you had some over in here, but you had a bunch here, so it was on line with it.
Very
Maybe
nice.
Just jerked a tad to the right.
Always on, you let it the same, but the target's going to be moving. So you're going to treat it kind of like a water hose. You want to shoot a little before your target. So it's coming from right to left, so you want to shoot a little left of it. So you spray it against the target, or against the ski. Okay. Roll into your shoulder.
Just say pull when you're ready. Say pull.
Pull.
Shoot another one. Enough bullets left. Actually, try.
There's some in the car, too, though.
Are they 20s?